Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself frustrated trying to crop an image directly inside Webflow, you're definitely not alone. Webflow can do a ton of amazing things, but as you may have noticed, there's actually no built-in crop tool for images right inside the designer. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple workaround that lets you crop and edit your images before bringing them into your project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to handle those awkward, squished images and keep your Webflow site looking sharp and professional. Alright, let's get started. Imagine you've just added an image to your Webflow project, but it looks all squished or distorted. Maybe you tried dragging at the edges or hunting for a cropping option in the image settings. Don't worry, that's a common first instinct. But since Webflow doesn't offer a built-in crop tool, we'll need to take a slightly different route. The first thing you'll want to do is go find your original image file right on your computer. This is the image you had planned to use in Webflow but want to adjust. Locate the file and then give it a double click to open it up in your default image viewer or editor. Most PCs and Macs come with a built-in app for viewing photos. On Windows, it's the Photos app. On Mac, it's called Preview. No need for fancy software or Photoshop here. With the image open, look towards the top left of the window. There should be an option labeled Edit. Click that and it'll unlock a handful of handy image tools. Here, where we move to resize. Now, resizing might sound like just shrinking or enlarging, but it's actually where you can set the proportions you want the image to fill. This matters because if your image has strange proportions for your site layout, resizing first can help you get a sense of what will fit best. After resizing, we'll head to the crop function, usually shown as a little square icon, or sometimes you'll see the word crop. When you select crop, a box or frame will appear over your image. Drag the edges or corners of the box to select exactly the area you want to keep. This is your chance to focus on the best part of the photo, cut out unwanted background, or fix up awkward composition. Once you're happy, simply apply or save those changes. If you're not sure about your selection, take a moment. You can always undo and try again. It's totally normal for this step to take a few moments as you get it just right. Now that you've cropped your image and saved it, let's bring it back into Webflow. Over in your Webflow project, look for the image element in the Elements panel. Drag it onto your canvas just like you normally would. With the placeholder in place, click the Upload option and select your freshly cropped image file. In just a second, your new perfectly cropped image should appear in your design and no more squished or awkward layouts. And that's it, quick and easy. So even though Webflow doesn't let you crop images directly inside the platform, with this little editing detour, you can still get clean, professional results for your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or run into any snags along the way, just drop a comment down below. I'm here to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.